Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Revolut account. Okay, so let's jump straight in. It is crucial to prepare properly before closing your Revolut account. First of all, empty your account. Make sure that everything is out of your accounts. Take your money. Also, clear any pending transactions. Make sure that all transactions are complete, or cancel them if possible, if you're still able to do that, if it's in the cancellation period. Also, cancel any subscriptions and services, because if you've deleted your account, this will still reoccur if you've not actually canceled the service itself. Also, downgrade your plan. So before attempting to close it, if you want to maybe try a different plan, you can go ahead and downgrade. And then make sure that you are also saving important documents before you go ahead and close your account. Going into the step-by-step, open the Revolut app, sign in with your credentials, tap the profile icon, which should be located on the top left corner of your screen. Select account from the menu options, and then tap on close account at the bottom of the account page. You'll then have to follow some of the on-screen prompts to confirm this decision. And it's very important to know that once you have closed your Revolut account and your associated cards, this will all be permanently deactivated and it cannot be undone.